You want a career in healthcare, you want respect, you want to make a difference. Am I right? But you also want to learn and to earn, right? Well, today, no fluff, only real talk. We're talking about the best paramedical courses with the highest salary. These aren't just any random courses, these are the real deal, in demand, money-making paramedical courses that can help you and your family get on a stable job site. Number one, radiology technician. If you've ever had an X-ray, CT scan or MRI, someone trained for that. That's a radiology technician. This course teaches you how to use powerful machines to diagnose internal injuries, diseases, and even much more. The course duration is about 1.5 to 2 years in a diploma, and the salary range is expected from 18,000 to 25,000 rupees per month, and with experience, more than 60,000 rupees. Also, there is opportunity to go abroad if you want to. Number two, X-ray technician. It's slightly more specialized than radiology, but super focused and high in demand. This is perfect for those who want a fast track into hospitals and diagnostic centers. The course duration is 1 to 2 years, and the salary is 15 to 30,000 rupees each month, starting, and then with hospital experience, it can go up to more than 45,000 rupees per month. Plus, it's one of the easiest to get into right after 12th. Medical lab technology. Behind every doctor's prescription, there is a lab report. And you must analyze the blood, urine, tissues, stools, and help diagnose patients without even holding a scalpel. The course duration is 1.5 to 2 years, and the salary is 15,000 to 35,000 rupees each month. Seniors can get over 50,000 rupees. And this job is always hiring. Finally, GNM, General Nursing and Midwifery. Think nursing is just BSc? Well, think again. GNM is the shortcut to nursing life. You're able to handle patient care, assist in deliveries, and even manage wards with children where you're the soul of that hospital. Course duration is 3 years. Salary is 20 to 40,000 rupees each month, and you can go abroad where you can get more than 1 lakh per annum. Where you can get more than 1 lakh per month. And demand is never ending. Lastly, physiotherapy. People are living longer. Back pain, injury, recovery, and post-surgery care are all booming. As a physiotherapist, you help people walk again, move again, and live again. The course duration is 1.5 to 2 years. The salary is 25,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees each month. Private clients and clinics, it is even more. And yes, you can open your practice later for all of these courses. So here's the truth. You don't need NEET and you don't need MBBS to make big moves in healthcare. You just need the right course and the right direction. At GD Goenka Healthcare Academy in Sarjapur Road, we train students in exactly these courses. It's hands-on training with our faculty and job guidance. We've got your back. And so does our medical lab. If you're ready to earn well, work with purpose, and grow in a career that actually pays, these 5 paramedical courses are your best bet. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and call us if you have any doubts. GD Goenka Healthcare Academy can help you get your dream of paramedical. Just call us and we'll help you get a free counseling session. Call us now on the number below, or visit our center on Sarjapur Road in Bangalore, and we'll see you soon.